Today I will inform you about bank holidays. The new year is about to come, and let me tell you, the first month of the new year, that is in January, the bank will be on a 15-day holiday. So let me inform you that if you are watching the video, then be alert, and according to your need, you will work with your banks, so that you do not face any kind of problem or inconvenience. I congratulate you on my YouTube channel Gyan Ganga. If you are new audience and have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe, and also subscribe to the all notification bell icon, so that you get useful videos first of you. Do not forget to like and share video. So let's start the video and make your January bank holiday list. January 1, New Year's Day, banks across different states will remain closed on the first day of the year. January 2nd, New Year and Mannam Jayanti. Banks in Mizoram will remain closed for New Year, while banks in Kerala will be closed for Mannam Jayanti. Mannam Jayanti is a regional Indian holiday in the state of Kerala on January 2nd each year. This holiday commemorates an important Indian social reformer on the anniversary of his birth in 1878. January 5th, Sunday, all banks will be closed on this Sunday. January 6th, Guru Gobind Singh's birth anniversary on the 6th of January 2025. He was born into the Sodhi clan of the Punjabi Khatri community. He was born in Patna, Bihar on the 22nd of December 1666. However, the date varies each year because it is based on the Sikh calendar, which follows the lunar cycle. Banks in Haryana and Punjab will be closed to observe Guru Gobind Singh's birth anniversary. January 11th, second Saturday, all banks will be closed on the second Saturday of the month. January 12th, Sunday, and Swami Vivekanand Jayanti. Swami Vivekanand Jayanti, also known as National Youth Day, is celebrated on January 12th each year, the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, a Hindu monk and guru of Vedanta philosophy. On this occasion, banks across the country will remain closed on Sunday, and this day also marks Swami Vivekanand Jayanti. January 14th, Makar Sankranti and Pongal. Makar Sankranti is one of the major festivals of India. Makar Sankranti or Sankranti is celebrated in different forms throughout India and Nepal. This festival is celebrated on the day when the sun enters Capricorn in the month of Posh. In the current century, this festival falls on the 14th or 15th day of January. On this day the sun leaves Sagittarius and enters Capricorn. In Tamil Nadu, it is known as the festival called Pongal, whereas in Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh it is simply called Sankranti. In some districts of Bihar, this festival is also famous by the name Tila Sankranti. Makar Sankranti festival is also called Uttarayan at some places. On this occasion, banks in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu will be closed on Makar Sankranti and Pongal. January 15th, Thiruvalluvar Day, Magha Bihu and Makar Sankranti. Thiruvalluvar Day celebrated on January 15th in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to honor the Tamil poet and philosopher Thiruvalluvar. It is a public holiday in both states. Magha Bihu, also called Bhogali Bihu, that means eating bhog or Maghar Domahi, is a harvest festival celebrated in Assam, northeast India, which marks the end of harvesting season in the month of Magh, that is January to February. A bonfire or meji is lit for the ceremonial conclusion and prayer to the god of fire. The festival is developed by the Tibeto-Burman Cultures and Festivals Magan of Kachari. On this occasion, banks in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Assam will remain closed for these regional festivals. January 16th, Ujjavar Tirunal. Ujjavar Tirunal is a festival for agriculturists celebrated in southern India. The Tamil word Ujjavar means agriculturist, and Tirunal means festive day. In fact, Ujjavar Tirunal is popularly known as Pongal festival, a harvest festival observed during the end of the harvest season. On this occasion, banks in Tamil Nadu will be closed on Ujjavar Tirunal. January 19th, Sunday, all banks will be closed on this Sunday. January 22nd, bank will be closed to commemorate Imoinu Iritpa. Imoinu Iritpa, also known as Emunu Iritpa or Vakching Tarani Thoinipanba, is a religious festival that celebrates the goddess of wealth and prosperity, Imoinu Ahongbi. The festival is celebrated by the Meitei people in Manipur, Assam, and Tripura, and by some in Myanmar. On this occasion, banks in Manipur will be closed January 22nd. January 23rd, Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose's birth anniversary. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose was a prominent Indian freedom fighter who played a key role in India's independence struggle. He was born in Cuttack, Orissa on January 23, 1897. He was the commander of the Indian National Army and the founder and leader of the Azad Hind On this occasion, banks in Manipur, Orissa, Punjab, Sikkim, Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, and Delhi will remain closed on the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. January 25th, 4th Saturday, all banks will be closed on the 4th Saturday of the month. January 26th, Republic Day. Republic Day is a national holiday in India commemorating the adoption of the Constitution of India, and the country's transition to a republic which came into effect on the 26th of January 1950. On this occasion, banks nationwide will remain closed on January 26th. January 30th, Sonam Losar. Sonam Losar is a New Year's Day festival of the Tamang and Hyolmo people of Nepal as well as Sikkim and Darjeeling regions of India. It falls on the second new moon after the winter solstice, which is usually the Magh Shukla Pratipada based on the Eastern lunar calendar. On this occasion, banks in Sikkim will be closed on the 30th of January. Please note, these holidays can vary depending on your location. It's always a good idea to confirm the specific dates with your local bank branch. Plan ahead to avoid any inconvenience when handling your banking needs. There is a request once again, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to the channel for motivation and press the all notification bell icon and share the video to fellows and friends. Let's meet with new enthusiasm and new information in the next video.